Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT's Record Mode. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so ChatGPT Record Mode can let you record your voice, meetings, lectures, brainstorming sessions, or even spoken notes, and then turn them into text summaries, action items, or even study notes. Now you can use it for recording lectures or classes, meeting notes, brainstorming ideas aloud, voice journaling, interview practice, study revisions, and capturing quick thoughts hands-free. So the basic steps of how to use this is to come on over to ChatGPT. This can be mobile or desktop, and make sure if you are using desktop, you've got a microphone connected to your PC. And also when we're at ChatGPT, we need to allow permission. So I want to click into there and click on permissions. Make sure your microphone is used and you're using the correct microphone too. So you can click on the little drop down, make sure you're using the right one. Now in order to use the record mode, basically here we've got use voice, or there might be a little record button to the left of it depending what version and what browser you're on. So to use record mode, basically click onto that little circle or use voice. Now when we talk into here, we can have conversations with ChatGPT, and then for example, I'm going to speak to it. So I'm just going to ask, hey, ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. How about you? What's on your mind today?
Well, I'm just doing a tutorial to about how to use ChatGPT's record mode.
Ah, got it. Yeah, so basically with record mode, you can just talk naturally and it'll capture your voice, convert it to text, and even let you see a transcript after. If you have any specific steps you want to highlight, I can walk through them with you.
So yeah, that's how to basically use it. So yeah, it's great for brainstorming, meeting notes, voice journaling, and all that good stuff. And here you can see the voice chat ended once you do end it. And if they don't give you a transcript, you can always ask here, can you give us that transcript of that conversation as well? And then to end it, basically hit use voice again, and that's going to cancel